my Sister Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm showing this unit. So with this unit, it says it's a Afro Kinky curly unit, and it's in 1B black, and it's 16 inches stretched out, so it is heat resistant. And you do get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and also it is a right part. And all I did was put powder into the parting space on this unit like usual, and I did have my edges slicked back for the baby hair effect. And also with the lace on the perimeter, I did put a little bit of black liner right there to try to blend in that lace because it was showing in the front part. But other than that, this unit is very nice. I do love the curls. I love how they fall into on the sides, like on the right hand side. I love how that curl falls like that. It frames the face very well. Right here I'm just using my powder. I like to use the, I think it's LA Color or LA Girl. I think it's LA Girl. You get it at your beauty supply store. So I'm just filling in, like covering up this lace, because the lace is on the ashy side. So yeah, you will need some powder. But other than that, the part, it does curve kind of like a J part. So that's the effect that it's given. And this is a 360 turn. I mean, showing you what everything looks like. And the curls are so pretty, great for this time of weather. And it is big head friendly. And it's lightweight. So this is me showing you this wig, honey. So I'll link everything in the description bar down below. And I will see you in my next video, you guys. Bye.